Hello viewers, welcome to the review of ExpressVPN by bestvpndeals.com. We at bestvpndeals.com give you reviews and updates about the VPNs around the world. So without further ado, let's go to the website expressvpn.com. So in this review, overview, we're going to tell you why ExpressVPN is beneficial for you and the main points about ExpressVPN and the usage of the website. So the first thing you see on the home page is that it's the #1 trusted leader in VPN, which is what we swear in, and a lot of users also do that. So it's not an overstatement, certainly. Also, they boast on a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is an exceptional case because a lot of other VPNs only offer a 7-day money-back guarantee. If you scroll down, you would see the basic features of a VPN, which they have mentioned over here. Other than that, you can see the number of servers available for ExpressVPN, which is quite a huge number of servers. Alright, so we're going to discuss the top panel over here. You can see in the options what is VPN. Here, if you are new to the VPNs, you can educate yourself about the usage and benefits of VPN and the features as well. Other than that, you can the products available, of course you can use it on Windows, you can use it on Mac, you can use it on Linux, or name any device and you can use ExpressVPN on. Other than that, you can go to the support for queries and help, and also if you want it quick, there's also the live chat available in the corner, and you can talk to a professional available at the other end at any time. Blogs, they give you an overview of VPNs and they educate you about VPNs so that you would know the best features of VPN and how you can use it at best. And you should stay a bit updated about the blogs over here so that you can use a VPN at its most. Alright, so we're gonna go back. Yes, here you can see my account. If you have a subscription, if you click on it, you will land into your account. Over here we are gonna tell you the get started one. You're gonna hit the get started one. This is the main page of this website, which gives you 3 packages. The best package is the middle one, which is per year. The first one is for a month, and the second one is for a year, and the third one is for 6 months. As you can see a tag on the top of this yearly subscription. This is the best one and the most popular one, which saves you 35%, and right now the cost is $8.32. The cost of the VPN changes from time to time, and you can, although we would say that it's a bit pricey VPN, but its features are so good and it's such easy to access that every penny is worth it. Here you can fill out the information if you are going for the subscription. We have already gone for the subscription, so we are going to check the ExpressVPN, how it works. Okay, so this is when you have purchased the VPN, this is how it looks like. And right now the VPN is off. If you want to turn it on, you can check. Right now it's the smart location. You can go into the smart location is another way we're going to show it to you. If you go into choose location, you can choose any location, let's say United States. So right now you have chosen a location, United States, but you can also go into the smart location, which is the nearby server, whichever is the most convenient one, which is Hong Kong at the moment. So if you want to choose location, customized location, you can choose it, or you can simply go into the smart location. So we have chosen United States. Let's hit it on. Right now it's connecting. All right. Yes, it takes a few seconds to connect. Right now we are connected from USA, and this is how we can use ExpressVPN. Hope you enjoyed the video, and this was a video by bestvpndeals.com. You can stay updated about VPNs around the world on our website bestvpndeals.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.